Okay, let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Welcome up. So let me share everything on X and on Discord as usual. So I just long BTC and Ethereum. I think that we're going to get a nice bounce. New York is opening in 20 minutes. I think that we can get a nice bounce, and eventually if we flip these levels, okay, I feel like we can go to this level here, and why not having a trigger here to these levels before going back down, okay? That's what I want to play. So for now, I just long BTC and Ethereum, and now let's see how it goes. Up. Welcome, guys, in the stream. How are y'all? Hey Dennis, hey Neon, hey Urban, how are you? 12 viewers already, guys, thanks. So let me share it as usual on X and on Twitter. You know the music. So that's the current trade on Ethereum. Should I share the BTC setup or the Ethereum setup? Well, let's share the BTC one. Streaming and long. Now let's see what we get with the New York Open, guys. Hopefully we get a nice one. So let's get it. So yeah, I long all those coins. Good morning, Oni. Hey, Arcas Thomas. Hey, Crypto Minutron. How are you, brother? Hopefully we get a pump today. Yes, let's see, guys. Let's see. I think that we can have a nice bounce. Honestly, Ethereum is looking good, okay? What I want is really to get back above the value of last week, okay? Look, if we extend this, that is right here, up, we really want the price to go back above this, okay? We really want the price to flip that. And once we can flip that, sorry, because my tool is here, I put it here. Once we flip that, for me, that's easy run to this level first, and why not this level also after, okay? But if we do reject here, well, basically this just looks a bit dead, okay? So that's how I'm playing it. Now, if we go on BTC, okay, that's the TPO, that's the weekly TPO, right? Yeah, weekly TPO, okay. I think that was merged, so refresh. To refresh the profiles, okay, you guys can see that we are trying to get back above the weekly one, okay, here we're trying to get back above the weekly one, but if we merge the last two one, which makes more sense, okay, we have the value here, and that will be our level to target, okay? Even if we merge the last one before, how is it? See, the value is here, okay? So we have a big confluence here. There's the value here in the POC, and so that's the level we want to fill. We have a lot of imbalances here, okay? Not a lot of fails. So I feel like we at least go for these levels, which are basically here, okay? Basically, I feel like we go for that, okay? Fill those things. So probably go a bit higher, okay? And that's what I'm playing. But Ethereum is looking way better. Well, ZEC, guys, you remember that we are long on ZEC perfectly, okay? From the last stream, we are up 28%, went 30%, okay? Ethereum is looking good. We need to flip that level, and so let's see. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So let's use another one for the lower time frame here. So yeah, let's reset those things. And there we go. So on the daily here, you guys can see that on the daily TPOs, okay, we have, okay, the values of these ones, okay? So we can do it large, but that's basically this level that we need to hold, okay? And even more importantly, this level, okay, that is literally the POCs, okay? So if we can fill that, if if we can flip that plus the weekly view that is here, that's looking very good, okay? Why not for first TP here on the 7 days rolling view up and this poor high, 93k 700, and then why not this poor high and even a bit higher, okay? Where we have this single print basically, okay? So that's what we can play. Now let's see if the market allows us to get that pump. So let's see. Welcome guys. Yo Logigi, yo are you? Yeah, I'm already in trade. Hello Onifluff, yo Axolo. Well, honestly, I'm longing Neon because of first. I feel like it's more an Ethereum play here, holding the value here. Really want this to reclaim the value. Okay, so kind of pre-shotting. I'm kind of counter trading the data here, but if you look at the session data, daily data, we have a low probability to take the daily high. Okay. And of the daily low also, but it's not that far away actually. Like if we go here, I mean that's 2% away, so that's not crazy, honestly. That's not crazy. And the daily low was basically, yeah, like this is the daily low, okay? That's the daily low. But yesterday's candle for me was okay on the daily, okay? We had a week. For me, this is kind of bullish. Why? Because we have several weeks on the downside, meaning that bears don't want to let the price down. So here I'm playing the false candle that just push higher. We have the open in 5 minutes. We will have the answer real quick, guys. But basically, we need to flip that level, okay? That's a strong level to play. Nice confluent. Yo, guys. Music is start too loud. Oh, really? Sorry. Now it should be better, guys. Now it should be better. We have multiple coins that looks honestly pretty good, huh? Even Solana, guys, it looks pretty good. If we can flip that on Solana, this looks good for this and this easily, and this level, okay? I mean, so Ethereum, Solana could be like, that could be a nice play, honestly. That's a nice trade, 2 risk reward, okay? That's a nice play on Solana, honestly. So yeah, some trades like that we have basically here. Now we need this to be filled, okay? We need this to be flipped. Now, if we look at the order flow and market monkey, what can we see? Well, we have some orders here. If we look at the VWAPs, okay, look, we have a big confluence with the weekly VWAP and the daily VWAP. If you guys remember last time, that's a resistance, so we really need to flip that, okay? We really need to flip that. Now on the dump, we can see that we had a bunch of shorts chasing the price, okay? Well, 35 million, 50 million, that's not huge. The delta is not huge, but still. And for me, we still have this single pin to fill higher. That will probably be filled. 98K, like that. For me, that's an evidence that it's going to be filled, okay? Also, if we look on trading difference, we took a bunch of liquidations. Yo, how do you know when Apollo or POI is filled and single print as well? Basically, when the price get there, it's filled. I was going to say, to do a nasty joke with pussy. That's all I would say. So, you can see here we took most of the liquidations here on that move, okay? Well, we then retook liquidation, but now we pretty much can go a bit higher. Even the 100x leverage, not a lot. 50x is much lower, but I don't think we get there first. Even on the 25x, we took a lot, okay? If you take these ones, we already took them. So there's not that much liquidation on trades different to be taken here. But now what we want, guys, is really to take this level, okay, to take the single print. And here again, what we have, the POC from the last 2 days. And we want the price, okay, to hold here. The candles are not here, it's, I made this so you guys can really see the structure. We have the POC here. And so we really want the price to hold here and to flip that one and to go for that, okay? If I put you guys the candles, you guys will understand. Look, the candles are here. You want the price to hold here, okay? Right? That's logic. So yeah. What's your ZEC target? Ultimate. Ball right, yes. 92k leak, get in. What do you mean? You're targeting 92Ks or your liquidation is 92Ks? Now let's see how it goes, but I feel like these trades can probably be good ones. So that's my BTC swing, okay? That's my last position on BTC. And basically this, okay? This on Solana. No, on Solana that's an idea. Sorry, it's on Ethereum. Oh no, where is my Ethereum? Here? Baby Ethereum. Yo, what the fuck? Where is my Ethereum? Where is my Ethereum? It's that one? Guys, I'm not crazy. I had a chart, right? With a setup. Which one is it? Ah, maybe it's on finance. Ethereum. Ah, yeah, right. Okay, good. There we go. That's what I want. A flip of that level. So now let's get it. Okay, New York just opened, guys. New York just opened. Let's hope we don't get fucked. Let's hope we don't get fucked. Today another giveaway, by the way. So make sure to subscribe, to like the stream, and to basically follow. That's it. Oops. Ah, yeah, right. Do you think bull market is over? No. Well, for a certain moment, yes. But in my opinion, we do some shit like that, okay? And then I would love this to be taken, okay? But in this level, I will start to DCA. But I feel like this is very possible. Something like this, and then maybe we have some deviation here. Not that low, like here. And then we just roll back, okay? And that's the real bull market on BTC. Altcoins, I don't give a fuck. Ethereum might pump though, but it's more on BTC that I'm bullish, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. Now let's see how BTC behaves here. Please go for it, baby. Good, bro. Good. Dump into New York, then reversal. Be good. Binance week upcoming on 3-4 December. Can we expect pump in Aster? Maybe. And Aster is looking good, guys. I'm in spot on Aster, if you guys remember. And Aster is looking pretty solid. You guys can see here that we've been spot since this level 0.9, okay? We're already up, well, we went up 50%, now up 40, but I feel like this goes at least to 2. Like that's an easy 2x. So yeah. But that's my take. Like that's what I think. So let's put back BTC. Let's have the EMAs also. It's always interesting to try. You see, the 21 is here. It will be interesting to get that level. Now let's see. We want this to be flipped. Okay, we want this to be flipped, guys. So let's see. Let's see. Let's get it, folks. Let's get it. Sorry, I was looking at some things. Imagine crypto rocket after Nvidia beat earnings. I don't think it will. Bro, sorry, can you go over BTC trade for 10 seconds? I think your thing up was a little too late. Didn't catch the long, unfortunately. That's fine, guys. Well, for now we're rejecting. It's pretty much at the entry, huh? Like that can be a long here like that, huh? Honestly. Like that's the same setup, basically. Like I took that yesterday before going bed. Sorry, here it was late. It was late here, and I didn't share it. But like I didn't enter with like a big size. That's mainly spot and very low leverage. Like I'm not even exposed like high. But that's pretty much the same trade, guys. Huh? That is pretty much the same trade. But we really need to flip that level. If we do, that's looking very good. Invalidation could even be like here, honestly. Or like yeah. That's basically what I'm playing. Is it being rejected now? Well, not really, guys, huh? It's okay. Like, I mean, the real test is here. Let's see how it goes, but we are still under the weekly and the daily VWAP, so it's not bullish, but we are around important levels. And like I told you here on the TPO, guys, we are above yesterday's and above Wednesday and Tuesday POCs, okay? Monday is here, so that's the value we can play from Monday. But what I really want to see is holding these levels, okay? Holding these levels, and why not targeting Monday value very low and this poor high. And eventually, if we get above that shit, okay, why not going to POC and why not going to this level, okay? Eventually. But my first target will be this poor high that I think can be filled, but we need to hold these levels. And so to hold these levels, we need to flip that. But see, price is struggling right now, okay? Those candles are pretty bearish, and it's like these daily candles that for me are pretty bullish. But let's see. Ethereum is struggling also. But for now, it's just the open like it's just the New York Open, guys. So this will take time. So let's see. But what I want is a clean break of that and reclaim of that level. And I don't want to see weakness under this level. Basically, that's all I ask. That is all I ask. Now, if you go back to Velo, yeah, we can see that the spot is still above the current cumulative delta, which is pretty bullish on Ethereum. But we want this to be flipped this level back. If we can flip that, that's good. But if not, that's starting to look bad. But personally, I'm anticipating the breakout here. Oh, sorry, not that one. BTC. Same on BTC. It's trying to push. Like that. That's a nice level, honestly, to try something for me. That's a nice level. We need to flip that. Oops. Are you long from 91k? Yes, I have a swing long from there, basically, okay? And I have this new long, scalp long from here, okay? I also have this long on Ethereum, and I also have this long on ZEC. These are my positions. And I'm also in spot on BTC, Ethereum, and Astro. And Solana also. Now let's see if we can hold those levels, but for now it's okay. It's just like a calm New York Open. Okay, maybe we can take this low actually. If you look at the statistics, see, like there's high chances we make either a new high or a new low, and low chances we make a new high. But we're playing against the statistics. The last 3 sessions, actually, the statistics were inverse. Okay, so I'm playing the shady statistics here. Maybe this time it worked, but personally, my system is calling for higher for now. So, and I've been waiting all week to take a long. Like I wasn't really trading. Not a lot of asks, not a lot of bids. Up. Losing this, we don't want the price to lose that, guys. We don't want the price to lose that. We want it to reclaim by the end of like 1 hour. I give it still 50 minutes. 1 hour after New York session, like 4 15-minute candles. For now, not a big move. We open here, so we're like the 15-minute candle opened here. So like we're down 0.5%. That's fine. Now let's see. Let's see how it goes. But I really want, as I told you, to all these POCs. The max down maybe will be this value low here. Under this, if we do have several close here, I might close that. I might close it here. But for now, we just hold it. So let's see. And that's fine. If you guys remember the last stream, we took the long, where was that? I think we long like here. Yeah, we long the open. We long like the open. So we long here. And I closed it before going bed like here. At 93.2. Yes, here. Exactly here. So we're basically risking profit from that trade. That's fine. And Ethereum, we wanted to hold value over low and to reclaim that level here. So now let's see if they can make it. But for now, yeah, rejecting this level. What is your Velo data candle color? Yes, so basic, it's white, bro. It's simply white and blue. I told you guys. White like that, and the wicks they are like that. And the body, it's white but at 0%, basically, like this. It's pretty clean. What do you think about USDT and USDC right now? What do you mean USDT and USDC? On Velo, how do you sync link all the layouts? It's a template that I made. Hi Chico Rico, how are you? Hey Vanellope. DC price action has been really unpredictable this past month. It's insane. Yes, the price action honestly this month was pretty nasty. And I think it was complicated for a lot of people that are not used to short trade, because basically the market was just giving a lot of short setups while everyone was used to long. So that's also something interesting. Hey Christy. It seems like the Manchester United is crypto total shit. Yes, bro, my fucking washing machine is going crazy. Sorry guys. It's louder than the music, I think. I didn't expect the pump from New York Open was before opening. Missed the long on short since unemployed data. Waiting for a bounce from 2K 1850. Yeah, maybe. What do you think about USDT and USDC dominance? Ah, okay. Be clearer, bro. Let's look at it. Sorry guys for the noise though. I don't know if you guys hear it, but it's very loud for me. Crypto USDC dom. Pretty bullish. Still above the trend. We might go for that week. But why not having a retest maybe here? That would be nice. Something like this. Something like this would be great. And that's basically what I'm playing here, guys. That's basically what I'm playing. If you look at my BTC chart, I don't know if it's that one, it's that one. No, but basically what I think we have on BTC is some shit like this, and then we go lower. Okay. And so basically that's in confluence with USDT dominance. Maybe a fill of this level, and then we go up. India. Hello to all my Indian followers. And then we go lower. 93,800 soon. Well, hopefully, huh? Hopefully. For now it's not getting there. And same, like look at that. That's pretty much it. But what I don't really like, bro, shut the fuck. I don't know. Do you guys hear or not the washing machine? The sound is pretty loud. Yeah, this starts to look kind of bad, huh? We failed the reclaim of that, kinda. Honestly. We kind of failed the reclaim. We really need to reclaim it by the next 45 minutes, I think. Like 1 hour after the open. Like, look. If I put the candles here, you guys can see. We try. Well, 15 minutes still into the next 30-minute candle, so why not? Why not having a bounce here? That would be nice, but yeah, I mean, we really need to hold this. That would be great. That's really what we need. Let's make it cleaner, like this. But for now, eventually we just get a sweep of that and then we go back. The invalidation is lower, so. Boy, you need a better microphone. How to hear you? Yeah, I know, bro. Sorry. It's just that the fucking. Oh, maybe. Attends. I will try to do something. Is the microphone better now? The microphone might be better now, guys. I changed it to the camera. Is it better? Yeah, thinking. Yeah, we can take the sweep. You guys thinking of the sweep here or the sweep here? For now, for me, as long as we hold the value here, it's alright. Like we can do a sweep here and go back higher. That's why my stops are here. Invalidation will really be like a loss of that. That's worse. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're back on the MacBook microphone, guys. Because I forgot my my microphone, my DJI. Oh, actually, I might have it. Give me a sec. Okay. No, give me a sec. I want just to. Yes, the cam. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. With fucking microphone. Should be better now. Okay, now it should be way better, guys. Now it should be way better. Where's the fucking video? No, cam. Okay, it's here. Now we're back. Should be better. What do you mean? Turn that shit down. What down? Yeah, video is back, brother. Okay, way better. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Clean audio now. Okay, perfect. So now let's see. Some guys are hysterical here. You guys have to chill. To deleverage a little bit, maybe. That's why we want to see delta in shorts. But for now, no clear sign of reversal. I still think this comes up. Personally, I'm not like sure, but I'm pretty confident on that. Honestly, I feel like this can come up, but we really need to flip that. Once we flip that, bro, that's for me. Once we flip that, it's easily 93k 700, and above that, 98k is easy. Can you share the Velo layout? Sorry, my layout is only for my mentorship students. Sorry. All my layouts, Market Monkey, etc. are only for the mentorship students. Might give them to some VIPs, but for now it's only for the mentorship. Hey Gregorio, finding you. How are you doing? What do you use? Yeah, the stop loss meridian on the setup is under the low. It's under the low, basically. Like new lows here, 88k5, simply. What do you use Power B for? Basically, for this, it's Brighter Data, okay? So that's a website that's a software that gives you data on an asset. So for example, here we have crypto class assets. We use crypto, and I'm looking at Bitcoin as an asset. And I want to have statistics on, for example, session, daily, based on time and based on distance. So I can have statistics on the price, okay? That's what I'm looking at. You can also have weekly, monthly, 4 hour, hourly, and you can also have a bunch of different assets. You can have Forex, you can have stocks, etc. So that's pretty good. I really love this software personally. Really helped me with my trading since I started to use it. Oh, now let's see, 8 minutes to go. Let's see if we can flip back that. Could be nice. Or at least giving me a retest of the daily, weekly VWAP. Better, nice. And you're in that trade already or waiting for the flip to enter? Good luck. See, I'm already in the trade, guys. I'm already in the trade. I'm in drawdown now on BTC. I have 3 trades. I have this BTC scalp on my scalp account, okay? For those who are asking, how do you take several trades? You just open a sub account in your trading account. That's simple as that. I have this BTC long, okay, from the lows. And I have this Ethereum long that is basically in profit, okay? And I also have this ZEC long. So these are all my position I have right now. Now let's get the bounce. Struggling, huh? Sorry, I'm sending some money to a friend. By the way, guys, great announcement for you guys. As you guys saw in the Discord structure, there is a free course channel, right? There is a free course channel, and tomorrow or after tomorrow, I will post the first free course in the Discord. So if you guys want to join, I just put the link. The link is in the description basically, but even in the comment, I asked the bot, okay, Discord, and you will have the link of the Discord, totally free. You have all my calls, you have the chat also that I might remove, mentorship results that will come because we are launching the mentorship again, probably next week. And we're opening some spots, and I will take a lot of new students, and you guys will print as fuck. So this mentorship result will be fully full of profit, basically, sorry. And you guys will have the free course also time. It's time to give away. Not yet, because you asked, we will wait 15 minutes. Thank you. Maybe 30 minutes. No, in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I launch the thing, and then 15 minutes to go. So in 30 minutes, we'll have the giveaway. Because you asked, and that's not polite to ask. It's like asking the age of a girl. You don't ask the age of the girl. And you don't ask, it's time to give away to Diego. Same thing. Not too risky, too long, couple times at once? Well, not really, because I have different accounts with different risk management rules. My swing account is a separate account. Sometimes I will be swing long and I will take a scalp short, okay? I like differentiate them. This time it happens to be that I'm swing long and scalp long, okay? Basically I'm really exposed in the long side because I have spot, etc. But we are at the 30% discount from highs. So I don't really care, and I'm not really leveraged. So I'm just taking this position. How did you know to long here? Price isn't at any important POC level, so why long? Well, it's kinda at important levels. We're above this value, okay? We have the POC here, so I long kind of the breakout anticipating. For now, I'm in a loss, But also what makes me want to long is these weeks on the daily, okay? Saying that the price, try to break down 90Ks, not able with wicks, so buyers want to buy in. And so basically the price is stuck between 88Ks, 89Ks and the yearly open. Whichever breaks first goes for, in my opinion, 5 to 10% move. So if we lose that, we can easily go to like 83Ks or even like 70s. And if we break out above that level, we can easily go to 98s and even, why not, 103Ks. That's what I'm playing. And also what I'm taking BTC, because Ethereum is looking much cleaner than BTC, okay? Even though we have the POC of this week here, we have the value over low here that we are trying to fill. And if we break that on Ethereum, it's looking fucking good, guys. It will be looking fucking amazing. Now let's see. Here you can see, same. We are above this. Up, let me. To get to me. Good, 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 good. And now let's look at this. We're back above. 3 minutes to go, guys. We need to. And same, these weeks are kind of bullish to me, honestly. Like maybe I'm wrong, guys, but that's what I think. Welcome, guys, to this. Oh, 5-0. That's my bro. T'es dans le stream, frère? Are you in the stream, brother? That's my friend. Yeah, yearly open resistance. First 30 minutes candle S&P green. Often a sign we get a green morning session. Yes. And honestly, yesterday we had good results. I think a lot of tech stocks are looking good. Nvidia did great results. Maybe we feel the single print, but S&P is looking good. And S&P is kind of on up only assets. I mean, we're still above this. This looks pretty nice, huh? Didn't took the low. It's not really a, well, it could be like a lower high. Yeah, lower high, higher low. No, lower high, lower low, sorry. Structure. Why not? If we feel that, we go back, okay? But for me, the structure is still good. High, high, low, high, low. That could be like this structure, okay? So basically we have kind of this channel here in this channel. And so basically here, that's it. And we keep going to this channel. Simply. Simple charting, really. But that's what I think. Like, I mean, on S&P, guys, S&P is an up only asset, so don't try to short it. Like, in my opinion, you increase your probability of winning if you day trade or if you swing trade on S&P by longing, and by longing the dips, because historically that's not an up only asset, but that's an asset that goes up frequently. So 3 minutes to go. Looks like they're trying to focus, right? They don't want to close above that shit. Well, actually it's here. That's why we give it a few minutes. But it will be nice to get it. Up. How do you... tu parles français, what? Eh oui, ma gueule. Can you explain how to read the indicators on Velo? Okay, yes. So basically, how can you be shocked that I speak French with my accent? Like, I have a French accent, right? Or I made good improvements. So basically here you have the VPVR. So basically VPVR is the volume profile vertical range, something like this. And so basically that's a volume profile that will take the data from the first candle that you have here, okay? So for example, I want the data from these, let's say from these levels. I can see where there was the most volume, and we can see that we have a big cluster here. That's the level to flip, okay, for us. That's the level to flip on Ethereum. Here we have the aggregated spot volume, okay, in white, and we have the aggregated volume coins, okay, cumulative delta. So that's more the futures position opening, okay, leverage position. So we can see here that spot is buying, while we can say from that more shorts are opening on Ethereum. How can I remove that? I don't want that. Okay, bro, I don't want that. Okay, good. Here we have the fundings, here we have the open interest con change, and here we have the open interest con candles, okay? Pretty flat. So yeah, that's how I read it, but it's more visual that I like to have this one on 5 minutes for Ethereum, okay? I prefer to read that one on Market Monkey. See, we close under. I really hope we don't just caca down. Accent espagnol. Hablo español también. French people don't speak English normally. Well, non-educated French people, but I mean, nowadays everyone should speak English, and you're learning this at school. How do you apply rolling VWAP? So basically the rolling VWAP, this is an indicator that I also have and I give to my mentorship and VIP students. And this is only a training. I don't know if you can have it here. I think this one, now where is it? This one, the Air VWAP. This one you can have it on TradingView. Air VWAP, the simple rolling VWAP. And I think you can, yeah, days. I mean, you can put 7 days and you just like have it like this, okay? You can just change it. This is working. This you have it in TradingView. But the rolling VWAP indicator, that one, that's a code that I have. Basically, no, it's that one. That's the code. So yeah. Now let's see. We need to hold. Love from Quebec. Thanks. Quebec. Tabernacle. I would love to do the accent, but I'm shit at accent, bro. I'm so shit at accent. Isn't your thesis invalidated since we wet close under? What do you mean wet close under? We close under? No. For me, I love to wait 1 hour after the New York Open. And the theory will be really invalidated under the value, because for now we're still above the value. If we merge those, look, we are above the value. Basically, the value is here, so that will be the invalidation. And if we put that, the one from today also, like basically this is holding pretty much, okay? And we have the POC here. So as long as we hold above these levels here and we don't have a breakdown and we don't hold here, that is holding for now, okay? We are still in the value. So as long as we are in the value, we can play the, see, like the value is here, basically. So as long as the value is here, we can play this. That's essentially what I'm doing. So now let's see how it goes. And it's just the 1 hour opening also. Usually you have some volatility during the 1 hour. And look, that's what I would love to get, like retest of this and flip of that. But well, for now, pretty much boring. Still a little bit in drawdown. This is above entry. This is in profit also. Well, Zek is pretty much good in profit. Zek made my week so far. But yeah, just waiting. I mean, it's Thursday. Let's look at the data from Thursday. What is the data from Thursday in the last, let's say, last month? Last month, Thursday red, and then end of the week kind of good, okay? Last 3 months, Thursday very red. Last 6 months, Thursday very red. Last year, Thursday very red. Today, very red also on the whole, okay? So what I think is that if we hold this week, we can have a nice bounce this weekend. That's pretty much what I'm playing, okay? I'm okay to take a stop, actually, guys. Like, I'm okay to a new sweep, take liquidity and go long again, but I do think that we are bouncing for the end of the week. Maybe not from here for this weekend, but as usual, guys, what's important is that when you take a trade, you will not be rich in one fucking trade. A trade is a trade, you risk X%, okay? And you know the risk. Whenever you enter a trade, that's something that most of the people, they don't do. They don't accept losing. When you take a trade, you have to accept losing beforehand, okay? Whenever you enter a trade, you know how much you can win, how much you can lose. And you win, you may be happy, but you don't have to be happy because that was the plan. And if you lose, you may be sad, but you don't have to be sad because that was the plan. And you knew it before clicking the fucking button. So that's how you guys need to trade, basically. Just ask ChatGPT to make a 7-day for, yeah, basically, you can ask also ChatGPT. Tu stream en espagnol? Ah, no. Puedo hacer, tengo, Tengo students en español, pero tengo uno. El mentorship lo hago en 1-1 en español, pero... Emotional is most discipline in this game. Didn't got it. But yeah, like, emotion is the most important thing. And it requires lots of discipline. So now let's see, we're dumping, guys. I'm gonna cry. Well, let's see. Pam, 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 pam. Pretty much not moving, though. See this. Pretty much we want to flip that and hold that. That's kind of our Bible. And that will be me. Sad. And that will be me. Very happy. But for now, it looks like I'm going to be sad, guys. Looks like I'm going to be sad. We do have some bids right here. 80 mil bids, like 100-ish. Let's open that one. I have the dump here. Up. I have a paddle in 1 hour. Shit. No, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. Okay, that's what I wanted. Oof. We have a nice delta here. They pushing. We have some bids. Can they hold? They're trying to push heavy. Look, we have some bids right there, huh? What's the price? 89s, yes. On the 89s. Well. Pam 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 pam. I said hand that house. I said hand that house. Bounce, please. Por mi familia, por favor. Big candle here. Wow, pretty okay. It will be a happy hand. Yes. I love how we try to make sense of the comments. Yes, sometimes I have to read it and try to guess. Can't find rolling view up in trading view. But if I find it, bro, you probably find it. You have to find it. Zek is so strong, guys. And Ethereum is looking, honestly, Ethereum is strong. Let's look in the 15 minutes Ethereum. Ethereum in the 15 minutes. Yeah, same thing. We're holding here. We're holding this base. Love that. But I'm not in this, but it's not the same trade I'm taking. But that's an alright trade. How is $1? Yeah, $1. I told you guys that, if you guys remember, I told you guys that $1 was going to dump here, 118. I personally switch to euros because I think it's gonna be better. No, sorry, I switch euros to dollar. My bad. Switch euros to dollar. But I didn't add a lot of euros, but now I don't have any more euros. But I have earring. No, I'm joking. Joking. I will be banned for those bad jokes. It's not even funny. That New York Open is so boring. Yeah, guys. Yesterday was better, no? Yesterday. When was yesterday? Wednesday. Yeah, look. Was funny. That was a great setup, actually. Retest of the weekly VWAP. That was clean. That was very clean. Sweep of that. Retest of the weekly VWAP. Short. Above the highs, target new lows, easy, simple. That was a lovely setup. And that was like, yeah, we would have hit TP during the stream, basically. But I was at fucking paddle tournament that I lost. So today I'm going to another paddle tournament. And I hope I will win. And I hope this time this will pump. Hey Purim, good to see you too. Waiting for the new high and then try to short. That could be a nice one also. But essentially, guys, what we need is to flip this level. If we can flip that, mama, that can be a banger. Again, shorts chasing. Let's see on Kayotoka. My computer will die. I have too much things open. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. How is this looking, this? Yeah. Remove this. And so on Kayotaka, 5 minutes. Some short chasing, but yeah, this shit start to look heavy. Huh? Why is that? Ah, it's because of the VWAP. VWAP. And if we look at this, what's the delta, please? Well, not that much of a delta. Huh? Not that much of a delta. Bit more shorts, but like, that's not like huge. That is not huge. So let's give it 20. Oh, guys, the giveaway. I forgot, my bad. I forgot. Let me launch Nightbot. Up. Let me launch Nightbot. There we go. Okay, so for the giveaway, as usual, okay. Oh, nice. 1,000 message. Giveaway, active chatters, viewers, 15 minutes. Okay. If you guys want to win, you have to follow, to like the stream, as usual, and to comment in the chat. Okay, easy. You just put yo, like this. Simple. Okay, that's it. Put a little yo, and then you can participate. I participated with my other accounts. Will be funny if I win. Obviously, I will not win, but I will do it again. But I can see. Oh! Well, this is starting to look bad, guys. Ooh la la. Astor dumping, but Astor was bullish while BT was dumping hard last week. Well, sometimes it's inverse, guys. Huh? If you guys remember for Zek, sorry, I don't have to do that. It's not bad. It's not good. Zek, same thing. Like Zek was pumping while BT was dumping. If you like, look at the Zek charts in the 1 hour and look at the BT chart in the 1 hour. I mean, as BT was dumping while Zek was bullish. So sometimes there are some icons that do their shit, and that's pretty much what Zek and Astor are doing. See, well, Astor, where is it? It's dumping pretty nasty here. That's a shot I didn't took, unfortunately. If you guys remember, that was during the stream Tuesday that we talked about that. I didn't took it, fuck me. But I closed my spot. I took some profit on the spot, so that's fine. But yeah, 15 minutes to go, shit. But Zek, yeah, Zek was free money, literally, guys. Like that's crazy how this shit pumped. That's nonsense how bullish it was. Let's see if we don't lose that. Let's put an alarm here. But I will hold the trade from here. Like, look, I'm risking $1,800 on that trade, basically. So yeah, like I'm fine by losing that for basically a 3K profit, a bit more, 3K800. Ethereum is back as entry. Feel like Ethereum could be the best one to perform, but don't know. Don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it. Let's go. Yo, with that's triple my salary. Oh, well, hopefully one day you make it there, bro. Wait for 8-hour close. Yeah. Oh, well, we took that. Let me put this so it's like yeah, one time only. So yeah, now let's hope that was the bottom. We really need to push above. That's on the 15-minute open. We need this 15 minutes to go back inside. Okay. The next close is gonna be important. Let's see, when is the next 4 hour? Yeah, 4 hours close is in 43 minutes. Yeah, that doesn't look good at all. 4 hour trend is still down, huh? Was kind of counter trading the 4 hour trend, but I'm fine. Like risking, like I told you, risking 1 hour on that one. Okay, I made exactly 1K at 100 in the last trade, so I was risking the profit of that trade, simply. So now let's see how it works. I have the eyes in fire, or horrible. Oh, but that's the because that's the cream I put it. Fuck. Is it written? Don't put it in the eye. Yeah. Don't put in the eye. Keep away from eyes and sensitive areas. Fuck. I might have to put some water on my head. So, okay, guys. Now let's do the giveaway because I will have to go and I have to change my head here. I have to basically clean my head. It's horrible. So, 48 entries today. Let's get it. This man funny as fuck. So let's get it, guys. Are you ready? Giving 30 seconds more. You guys need to comment, follow, and to like the stream, okay? And we just click here. And we choose a winner. On this little mouse. Little mouse. Who want to win? You guys are ready? Let's go. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Up. Okay. Rudrak Shagarwal, 7235. You're the winner today. Oh shit. Well, we had it here. So you're the winner. Now let's see if he comments or no. Oh, we're bouncing. Let's go. Is it here? Is he here? I forgot the name already. I know it's in the chat. Rudrak Shagarwal. Rudrak Shagarwal. Is he here? What I win, bro? Bro doesn't even know there is a giveaway. What the fuck? You just won $100, brother. No, you just won 1 million. Congrats. You just won 1 million. 1 million SHIB. I'm joking. You won $100 trading voucher on Lbank. You can trade with it, or it will pay you fees if you want, if you have big size. And basically, that's $100 saved, and you can withdraw the profit that you make with it. So that's $100 for you to trade with. So yeah, and we give this away every single stream. So send me a DM on X, or on Discord with the proof that it's you. Okay, I will take the photo of you as usual. Up, Rudrak, up here. I got you. And so yeah, just send me this. Now let's see if we bounce, guys. Let's see if we bounce. But I have the eyes burning. I need to go. So you guys have the plan, huh? Just to remember. We are BTC long here, okay? That's the new one. We have this BTC long running from the lows, okay? We have this ZEC long running from much lower. I took half profit actually here. I only have half of the position. And I have this Ethereum long that is at entry. You guys can take it also, okay? Stops 2K800 TP1 here, around like 3K150, okay? And TP2, 3K340. So that's what I'm targeting. So now let's see, but I will have to go, guys, sorry. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I will do a stream again. I will try to do it longer, and that's it. Can you look at the chart gold and give your opinion for sure? I don't really trade the gold, brother. I can look at it if you want. My eye is burning. Fuck. It's horrible. I want to die. Gold. Okay. So, guys, I'm dying. I swear. Oh. Gold's looking... kinda okay, huh? Kinda okay. If we can take this, why not? But I don't really trade gold. Honestly, I don't have the dynamics of gold, etc. So I cannot really tell you. In terms of VWAP, we have the 90 days VWAP, so it could make sense to maybe reject. If we cannot flip this, in terms of VWAP, retest that, maybe, go higher. If we flip that, go higher. But I don't think gold just nukes, okay? If we do have 30, like the yearly rolling VWAP, that will be an insane entry. The last time we got it was in 2023. So whenever we get this, just buy gold, okay? And that's it. But yeah, otherwise, honestly, I cannot really tell you a lot of things, bro. I don't trade gold, so I don't know. I don't really know. So yeah, sorry. And this is my fucking Bitsy trade. That is not going well. Where is that? Finance? So yeah, kinda shy. It's a shy trade. So well, have a good one, guy. No, the stop, brother, is here. The stop is here. I will update, brother, but I already told you, the stop is at the lows, basically. Okay? So yeah, have a good one, guys. I'm going to wash my head because it's horrible, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And sorry again, I was a bit tired today. And for those still here, the plan is here. Remember, stops here, okay? Don't try to add or take the stop loss. If we go here, take the stop loss, and if we re-enter back, just wait for the long, wait for the setup, okay? And Ethereum, same. This is the setup. Zeg, this is the setup. That's it. So you guys have all the infos. You know what I will do, and basically that's it. Have a good